We're gonna make a smoked old fashioned with our new smoker. So what we've designed is something that'll hold some shavings here. We have some cherry, and on the top, this is going to act as the lid for the actual smoking process. We've got a metal screen in there, and we'll just put it on top of the glass and use that to bring in some smoke. So for this, we're gonna make it simple. We're gonna use this proof syrup, which is my new favorite. This happens to be pecan flavored. And what we're gonna do is start off with a cube of ice. I like rye whiskey, so I'll take 2 ounces. Then we'll take a ½ ounce of the proof syrup. Now we're going to add some smoke. So we'll put this on the lid, on the top. We'll take a pinch of this cherry, just enough to cover the screen that's in there. Now the fun part, we're going to take the torch and we're going to add the smoke. So we'll let that flow. You can take a look inside. Add some orange, twist of orange. Smoked old fashioned.